Hey everyone, happy March. This is Linda Baker of the Long Hill Realtors, and I'm here to give you your monthly update for Silicon Valley real estate. Well, temperatures are down outside, but the market is continuing to be hot, hot, hot. February, we were blessed with having warm weather, and that really helped with sales. What does that mean? Well, it seems like the buyers have read the news and heard that interest rates are going to be going up. So there is an even greater fevered pitch for people to get into contract. This year over last year, we sold more units, which is great because last year was pouring rain, so it makes sense. People were able to get out easier. We have fewer actives, which is bad, but there's actually more pendings, like I said, and more sold properties, so that's good. Now, but here's the real telling sign. The list prices between February of this year and last year went up 15%. Okay, nice, that's great. But the selling price is what's the telling factor. The selling prices year over year went up as an average 25%. What we're seeing now is if, depending on how the listing agents are pricing their properties, we are oftentimes seeing 10% as the minimum bump, and oftentimes they're going 20+% over the asking price. I just sold a property yesterday that was a 2-bedroom, 1-bath in Evergreen. We had 28 offers. Can only sell it one time, so that's a lot. That's 27 people I had to say no to, and that's not a lot of fun. For an average sales price for this entire county, we're hovering just over $1,600,000. $1,684,000 is our average selling price. Wow, that is amazing. That still gets you about a 2,000 square foot house within the valley. So it's an opportunity, but prices are still going up. But what are we seeing in the future? Well, we don't know yet because we're not there, but I feel like interest rates at some point in time, as they start to creep up, will have a holding pressure on buyers. I think there might become some sort of pushback when buyers are saying, how much higher over the asking price are we expected to write an offer for? Many of us are just accustomed to it and try to gear our clients to expect it. But at the same time, nobody wants to be the whale. Nobody wants to be the offer that paid $100,000 more than the next offer in that multiple offer competition. So it's a juggling act. And then we all know, if you've been around long enough, that this cycle does come and go. But I want to share with you some charts that I have. With these charts, you can kind of see how the inventory is ebbing and flowing. And we're definitely seeing the upward tick for listings. Thank goodness. It's nice to see us hovering over 600 active properties. And believe me, we're talking about this morning in our brokers meeting that 10 years ago, that number in July peaked out at about, like 4,000 active listings. So you can see it's been a huge difference. We're all clamoring because right now buyer demand is great. We have strong demand still from our jobs in the valley. Traffic is still really heavy. Different areas are having higher demand than others, but in every area, especially in the lower price areas, we're seeing huge multiple offers. In almost all price points, we are under, say, $2.5 million. We're seeing solid interest, and that's nice. Days on market continues to be low, so we're just turning and burning the inventory. But it also means that you have to be mindful how you price your house. If you're writing an offer, how are you writing that offer? Are you fully approved? Have you reviewed the contingencies? Find out, if you're listing your house, the importance of having a great inspector versus one that many agents have reluctance in accepting those reports. There is a difference, and we all know that it makes a difference, especially for people who've been around the block for a while, like I have, and are experiencing the different trends in the marketplace. I also want to say it's my 15th anniversary this month, so yay! I've been in the business for 15 years, and I'm looking forward to being in the business for at least 15 more, thanks to all my clients and my repeat referral people that send me more and more business. So I'm looking to talk to you in the next month or two so we can figure out how do we get you your house that you want to buy or sell your house for the highest possible price. Looking forward to talking to you in April. Take care.